This short video covers the assembly of Tripar's L-bars to span more than 24 inches. For spans greater than 24 inches and up to 36 inches, position a third L-bar at one end, orienting it so the diagonally placed holes match up. Lock this in place by driving in one or two 832 self-tapping screws. To further increase the span to 48 inches, add a fourth L-bar to the opposite end in a similar manner. Final adjustment and locking remains fully functional within the primary pair of assembled L-bars. Vertical strength remains at 48-inch extension. If lateral rigidity is of any concern, baling or utility wire can be tied to the sides of the fixture, with the opposite ends secured to any immovable element in the ceiling.